Hello everyone, I hope you guys are amazing out there. In this video I'm going to show you a new restaurant opening in Bristol. Guys, if you're coming to Bristol, you should try this restaurant out. This restaurant is Caribbean restaurant. The jerk chicken, the food at the restaurant is so amazing. There's so many activities around the place. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this amazing video. While you're watching the video, consider sharing this video on Facebook and also on all social platforms. Make sure you watch the video to the end, because it's very important. It does help the channel. And also like the video and also share your ideas, what you think of Bristol. People don't want to move. Did they have for big kids? The aesthetic in here is so beautiful. Wow. So guys, we found a Jamaican restaurant in Bristol. What's the name of this area? Millennium Square? Millennium Square.
So yeah, it's Millennium Walk.
It's called Jamaya. So they have a very beautiful menu here. You can see that. They also have a kids menu. The good thing is they have Sunday roast, but they're not doing the Sunday roast this weekend. So what I'm planning to have is quarter chicken or half chicken. I'm not sure yet because it's jerk. It's always meant to be nice. And they have sweet potato chips in the menu. That's really something. So yeah, so that's what I'm having. It's not far from the Lane 7, just by the.
I'm having boneless tenders with jerk gravy with mac and cheese and house-made coleslaw.
Okay, there's something intriguing about the menu. Very nice. They have a mark here. Thank you.
The hot chicken isn't super hot, so you might want to put some more hot sauce on
there.
Okay.
They brought Jamaya spice for me. Well, alright, so guys, they have a Jamaya Guinness punch. They have Kingston Red Hills. Wow, I'm just going through the menu, to show you guys what they have here. And this is their rum cocktail menu. Now let's see what else they have here. Oh, they have whiskey. They have also they have a red wine, white wine. So yeah, so guys, amazing. I'm looking forward for my food. So yesterday, me and Jay we went to Cornwall. We've been to St. Ives in the morning. Had a nice breakfast.
St. Ives is amazing.
Amazing place, guys. So make sure you check the video. It's beautiful. Like I never thought like Cornwall looks so beautiful. Well, yeah, it was nice. Our favorite part so far is St. Ives, and we also put a patso on the list. We want to go back to those places. So guys, yeah, let me wait for my food. Let me wait for my food.
Really
yeah.
That's sweet potato fries.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can I get you anything else?
There should have been another mayonnaise to go with the.
Yeah,
Please,
more
thank you.
mayonnaise, please. Yeah. Well, guys, my food is here. Jay's food is here. Jay's food look much more beautiful than mine, but let me stand up. Let's see. Look at that. And here is my full jerk chicken. It's yummy. Is it sweet?
You want some?
And there's bread. Don't forget. Oh my god. Bon appetit.
When you came in, I said I like
Really?
Just for me.
So very juicy though. Beautiful. Are you tasting it? Is it
It's
sharp?
very nice.
Is it sweet?
It's very sweet. It's very gingery.
Well, here is my lager.
It's very nice.
Early morning, afternoon lager. So fresh. And look. Yeah, he's doing the pictures. Nice. That was really good. The food was really good. I actually enjoyed my food. It was very good. I had jerk chicken, sweet potato chips, very delicious. Like, I just want to keep munching. You know what? Guess what? Today I'm wearing my Celine men sunglasses. I'm wearing my Gucci top, and I'm wearing a necklace that's from Habanicos. It's not a big brand. And I have my Gucci bracelet here, and I got my Rolex here. At the bottom, I'm just wearing, I think, Mark and Spencer's pants, and my sandals is a Boss sandals that I got from Bista. No, I mean I got it from Canon, a Boss shop. It was reduced sales. Yeah, so that's my outfit for the day. You know, I want to do this kind of videos. So yeah, thank you. Yeah, very good. I want to be doing this kind of videos, so if you do enjoy them, please do let me know in the comment section, because you know I want to motivate you to look good, to dress nice. Yeah, so yeah, now we want to go to Bristol, explore, maybe grab a few drinks. Yeah, it looked really busy today. So guys, from Jamaya, if you in Bristol, try this place. It's food quality is amazing. Well, this is the outdoor. This is outside. This is how outside look like. So if you're here, you want to sit outside. You also have inside. It's not a problem. You can see this is the Millennium Square. There's a lot of restaurants down here. Alright, so guys, I've got some energy now. So now we just get into this part of Bristol. It's so beautiful. So when you find yourself in Bristol, guys, make sure you come to this part. They do have a boat that take you across, take you back to where the Paris ship is. So what is the name of the ship? SS Great Britain. It's just down there. Yeah, there's a lot of restaurants down there as well. There's a restaurant here. You can have a drink here. Yeah. Let me show you guys. There, that building there. That's the top. Is it Tottenham? Tottenham. Clifton. Yeah. Beautiful. Look how gorgeous Bristol look like today. You know, very beautiful. You see, people are just doing the boat tour. And there's the taxi boat bringing people. Well, it's very hot. We're just looking for somewhere to stay. Pardon? Yeah.
Ducks are funny.
In there.
Seagulls are annoying, but ducks are funny.
Sitting on the rooftop. Is it rooftop? Just sitting here, enjoying the breeze. You know, got myself some Spanish, what I call it there. Very, very nice. Jay actually went for sparkling water and some lime. We managed to get a seat. You know, nice view. Yeah, so nice here. I don't want to go anywhere. One thing I really wish to just dive from here straight into the water, but I don't think it's allowed. Yeah, I feel like sleeping. That's what the sun do to you. But guys, stay tuned. Yummy food. Now all I want to do is sneeze. Yeah, it's so fresh here. You want to be here. Hello. Well guys, that was Bristol. Beautiful day. We did enjoy it. Now we're going back home. I think we did enjoy this amazing video. Please consider liking the video.
Yeah, that place is so nice
Wow.
as well.
It's very, very beautiful.
good.